on a quiet stove. Little hum where the warm winds blow. Different time, soft footsteps slow. A melody starts to flow. Clink of spoons, a gentle beat. Sugar spice and something sweet. Every dish a lullaby, floating up into the sky. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame. Cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly. Taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold. Stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. Butter melts like a sunny day. Dancing scents that drift away. Tiny laughs in the air will stay as worries fade to gray. Chop and mix a rhythm kind. Leave your heavy thoughts behind. Every thriver sings so true. A little peace just for you. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame. Cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly. Taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in pots of gold. Stories in the meals we hold. Every bite will softly say, everything will be okay. Hush now, hear the kettle song. Steam like clouds drifting by. In this kitchen, safe and warm. You're the calm within the storm. So stir it slow, softly smoke. Rest your heart a little while. In every meal, in every try, you're singing your own lullaby. Clink of spoons, a gentle beat. Sugar spice and something sweet. Every dish a lullaby, floating up into the sky. Stir it slow, don't rush the flame. Cooking love in every name. Close your eyes, let worries fly. Taste the joy, a lullaby. Simmer dreams in butter melts like a sunny day. Dancing scents that drift away. Tiny laughs in the air will stay as worries fade to gray. Chop and mix a rhythm kind. Leave your heavy